Features of the CrackPro 125 heated hose melter applicator. This video also applies to the CrackPro 200 and 400.
It is a diesel fueled melter. We have a Kubota diesel engine. This is the engine control panel. Diesel fuel tank, 30-gallon capacity. Diesel fueled burner. And over there then is the hydraulic oil tank, 30-gallon capacity also. Heat transfer oil expansion tank. Material tank. Burner control box, and it's also the heated hose control box. Oil temperature thermometer. Material temperature thermometer. This is the drive motor for the material pump, which is inside the insulated storage compartment. And then this is the electro-hydraulic control center for both the material pump and the agitator. Electrically heated hose. Gravity flow drain valve for filling pour pots. And then finally the electrically heated hose and the applicator one. Okay, on our hydraulic oil tank we have the shut-off valve for changing the oil filter. Always make sure this is in the open position before starting the engine. And then this is the belt-driven generator for the electric hose system. It's important on a new machine that we take advantage of the entire bottom. Therefore, we need to physically lay the blocks in there. Okay, to start the engine, you first turn the key to the left position for the glow plug system. And once the light goes out, then you have to depress this and then turn the key to the right to start the engine. Then release. To load the machine with material, it is not necessary to get up on the fender. Put your block up on the lid and then just simply close the lid. This prevents you from getting splashed with molten product. Anytime the lid is open, this switch deactivates the agitator, and then when you close the lid, the agitator will automatically come back on. This is our control box for all of our functions. Heat transfer oil controller. Material temperature controller. And our hose temperature controller. AC voltage dial for the heated hose. AC power on and off. Material pump forward, off, and reverse. Agitator forward, off, and reverse. Interlock light. Reset button. High temperature light. Burner enable. This light will be on anytime the burner is actually on. And then on-off power for the burner system. So once the engine is started, we need to turn this to the on position. Turn the AC power switch to the on position. What will happen then is the green light will come on telling us the burner is now running. Our temperature controllers have two scales. The bottom scale is the temperature that we have the controller set for, and then the top scale is actually ambient temperature. Once the heat transfer oil, the material, and the hose are all up to temperature, once the white interlock light comes on, that means the agitator automatically starts turning. This is the pump speed control, and then the other control then is for your agitator, so you can fine-tune the speed of both of those. This is the main shut-off valve for the material pump. And then we also have our material thermometer. Okay, as your product is melting down, then you can add more blocks to the tank, but do not add more than 2 boxes at any time. Once all the product is melted, it's time to apply product. Remove the wand from its holder. There are 2 switches on here. My left hand operates the pump. My right hand operates this switch, which flashes a light so that the operator can tell the driver of the truck when to stop. Or the wand goes up in here to this heated receptacle that keeps the applicator tip free flowing. And then any time that you would want to recirculate product, just open this door and put the wand applicator up into the slot.